stay in the garden, by the door, in the bedroom, on the floor. Remember me when you're far away. I'll always have a place for you to stay. In the middle of the night, I'm gonna be there till the morning light.
Give it gas when I'm dipping competition, getting past, living fast, furious, staying on track, never worry when I'm spinning. Last better get in back, ride for my dog, alphabeted on us, you gon' get it back. Never split this pack. Whenever I witness cap, we ain't fucking with your fiction, facts, your conviction lacks. When I get up in my bag, I'ma spend, we ain't tripping off tax, clipping this tag, working on my wish list, cooking this cake. Let me flip this stack. You were flashing the pan, while you relaxing, I can't. My team finna pack the sedan, putting tracks in the sand, pushing my craft with the fan, got the people all clapping their hands, putting cash in my brand, keeping my octane high, my graded premium, not 8-9 or 8-7, and when I run across state line, I'm 9-1, I gun it, clock great time when time come, disappearing in the dark horizon, way I cut turns, I'm as sharp as diamonds, got them on tilt like a car's alignment, this is raw refinement, not a hard assignment, I'ma give it gas, give it gas, bitch.
Alright, that's our video playlist for the day. Y'all know what that means. It's time to move into the green room and show y'all what's crack-a-lacking with the plants. You know, your favorite indoor garden consultant gonna make your ass wait to see some plants. But first, y'all know to hit up that W link. It's in the chat. Get y'all some of them W products, that energy drinks, so you can have the all-day energy without the jitters. Shout out to, you know, sugar-free energy, because you know people need that. Excuse me. Y'all also know to go check out the Buy Me a Coffee, the Rumble link, everything else you see down there, because you know we got stuff popping and plenty of things going on. So hell, you'll find something to do in case you was bored, right? Right. I got a Rumble link. I ain't doing Rumble videos on this channel this weekend because Spider Pig content been popping over there, so we gonna keep that up. Yeah, we got some stuff going on with Spider Pig. I told you we out here putting in that work. So shit, y'all know how your boy do. It's all Hustle Mania 2025. Hell, keeping it popping, you dig? Let me get this blunt. I got a lighter. There's some wax in there too, so y'all already know it's time to go in there and smoke with the ladies. Because I told you we do that on a regular basis. They like popcorn. Come smoke with you. Come smoke with us. Come on, let's go. Let's go. And we'll stop by tent 2 on the way in there, right? Shout out to that Vivo son, Vio son. Yeah, Vivo son. Heard I was saying that wrong the other day. Vio son. Vivo son. Yeah, it's in here knocking out its own grow. Shouts out to the double grape autos that we got from our good homie Bear Miller over at Son of Odin Seed Company. Shout out to the big homie. Y'all know that's that TWP Farms link we dropped earlier in the chat. Scroll up and roll up, right? Scroll up and roll up, you dig?